Good afternoon from RV Station Katy, Texas. RVStationKaty.com. 281-392-0101. I'm going to start an interesting walk around on this brand new 2020 Lance 855S. Outside shower, your dump tanks, sewage hose storage, of course with the Deck Plus, and as a rare treat, the manual slide out control on the Lance, being very, very easy to operate. As you see here on this freshly arrived 2020 Lance 855S, it is important to ensure that the gravity is locked. As we go into this 855S with the Roadster interior, the dinette fully slid out, expansive storage in the drawer, and more. So we like to order them loaded out. Your genset control, the bed storage area, swivel mount TV, Jensen head unit, covers for all the vents inside, and we'll go around to the bathroom area here. That's what I like to call a water closet. And then of course the Lance storage, just incredible in this 2020 freshly arrived 855S. The dual MCD shades. And I think I'm going to take us outside and take a quick peek at the roof and finish an exterior walk around. To include the genset 2500 LP, the roof membrane, incredibly impressive, and of course the King Dome, pre-wired for all the fun stuff that we can help you with here at RVStationKaty.com, including the rear awning that we will make an attempt to bring out here. I know, in the comments running amok. Nice thing about awnings, they latch one way. And then, free of its ratchets, voila. We'll take a duck down around here to look at the outside storage under the booth dinette, controls for the jacks, and more. RVStationKaty.com, 281-392-0101. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Happy camping.